Ohayo minasan! Hello everybody, Oji Reinu is back for another figure review. Today I will be reviewing Yukimura Sanada from the series Sengoku Basara. Here you can see him in all his glory. You see he includes 2 spears and 2 faces, an extra arm and a leg, what I'm seeing here. I'm a huge fan of the series. I haven't seen it for a long time, but Yukimura is my favorite character from Sengoku Basara. So here you have the side view, and here you can see on the very bottom you can see Yukimura. He seems like he's angry, well, he's frustrated. And on the back part, you can see him and all his poses and all his emotions, or should I say faces he make. They're so adorable. How can a samurai be this adorable? We'll find out. And here you can see on the very bottom another pose of him, and he's more as an action or fighting pose. He's ready to fight. Who you gonna fight? Yukimura. He's probably gonna fight Date Masamune. Okay, so I opened him, everything flew. I just put everything back in order. But this is the figure in all his parts. Look at those faces, how cute they are. This is actually the default face. So this is everything that he includes, and here you have the instructions on how to put everything, and I believe it's in Japanese. But I think with the pictures it will help you. So you don't even have to understand Japanese to know what you're doing. And here you have another instruction. Or and then just in one hand while holding the other with the camera. This is how to put the base, which is kinda weird. I tried to put it and it was so weird, so I'm like, he doesn't need a base. He's dope like that. See his one on his face. This is like his angry fighting pose face. Like, I'ma fight you, Date. I'ma fight you. And here you have this is like frustrated. He looks angry. What happened to Yukimura? Date, what have you done? And ta-da! Here he is, and oh my goodness, he's so adorable. He's my very first nendoroid to own. I kinda fell in love with nendoroid. They're just so adorable, and they're much cheaper than normal scale figures. Yeah, I own a lot. Well, not a lot, just a couple of scale figures, and this is my first nendoroid, and I'm very happy. Look at the spike in the hair, that looks amazing. Here, I love, look at not the necklace, but his symbol thing. It's like the coins, look how cool and pretty it looks. So that's him, and gotta show this to you guys. Look at that weapon, look at the colors. And with this new camera, they look amazing. Wow, I love that golden. And look at the red, so striking. And then I got another one. So this is to connect to the other spear that was, and there is another one. And again, this looks wow. Even for a nendoroid, this looks amazing. Here's his little arms, and they're very easy to put. I'll show you guys. And here's the other one, and he includes, which this was a little bit difficult. I wasn't able to do it because I didn't want to break the Yukimura, but this is another leg, and this is more for like the fighting pose that he can make. And here you have the different headband thing. Yeah, the headband thing that he uses, and I like how they have different movements and flow. And here you have his ponytail, because obviously Yukimura cannot be Yukimura with his awesome long ponytail. So here's the ponytail, and I forgot to mention here his little hands. Let me see if I can get that on. There you go. They kind of look like Legos. So yeah, they're so tiny and delicate. So, and again, the detail is, even for tiny, they go so much in detail with this. So let's do articulation. Let's see how much you can move Yukimura. So his head can move, yeah, but if you move it too much, it will kinda, yeah, came up. And this necklace a little bit pain in the neck too. Oops, yeah, that's what I mean. It's tiny, you gotta be careful. This is a necklace. I kind of would like it that would be a little more creative. They just put a wire and like a metal, like gold metal. Like, I would like it that would be a little more creative than that. But again, it's also hard because it came out so easily. So every time you change the head, be careful, because this will came out. Yeah, let me put him back again, and I just gonna leave the necklace like that, and then show you for the hands, so he can move completely. And then if you want to change it, you just have to grab this top part and kinda wibble around and pop. So if I want to put this one, all I have to do is this right here. Kinda play around with it into a like that. Okay, and then the other one can move completely. Also, he can detach his torso, can be detached. See, and this, yeah, like that happened. So here you have the, the legs, and then here you gotta be careful because this doesn't stay still. This little belt thing, and again the detail. So you gotta be careful with this, and it moves a lot. I wish it didn't move too much, because you have to kind of leave it there and then put it back. Like this. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna show you guys some poses. Like I promised you guys some fighting pose. So actually the spear was not broken. What happened is, the other part of the spear, where you just take out this top part like this, and then you can put it on the other staff. So that was not broken. I don't know what I was thinking about that, because I saw like a piece. I was like, what is going on here? Is this broken? No, but no, it's not broken. There you go. Here is him with all his. And for the ponytail, ponytail was a little bit tricky. There's like a crystalline ball. It's like a jointed ball. The bandanas also have, the headbands also have one, but I really couldn't figure them out, and the instructions were not really helping me. So I just left them there. And before this is concluded, let me show you that he also includes the base. Take all this off because I was trying to be able to stand the Yukimura, but it was not working. But this is the base. It's pretty simple. Right here. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching and being here to the very end. Again, every day I try to perfection my videos. And there's any way I can improve, don't be afraid to leave it in the comment below and tell me about it. If you like this video or you enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe for more, because I'll be making more pretty soon. So until next time, ja mata ne!